Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Google Pixel 8. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I always start in a simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by tapping on the power button and volume up. After that, just tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Power mode, and how to activate Power mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for your devices, but it's still not for your Pixel. Open the settings, then swipe down and choose the system. Then look for the reset options and choose mobile network settings. Tap on the reset settings button and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to upgrade the system, so go to the settings like before, choose the system and tap on the system update. If you have any, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.